mother-free plushies, am I right? That intro was not for nothing, but it was for something. Can you guess what's in this box? That guy. And of course, me. You have ice cream. You made me bend the box! What have you done? I'll get that converter later, but I'll just say that's some shipping damage. But of course, we have that guy, backwards lady, and poo. These people, you can talk about them all day, but the real meat. Everyone's seen these guys. Nobody's even heard of this unless you live in Japan. It's a blonde kid. Can officially look at blocky blonde kid, radical red kid, brown guy, and pink lady. The same name as the apple. You get to see nothing, but I get to see a lovely sky. So these people learn to fly. You know, look at the back, you can see concrete place, wooden place, wooden place, wooden place. And with the ultimate power of knives, simply just you can see there's lovely sunflowers, a child, a lady, a guy with facial. Fun fact about Mother Free, in the game, Lucas is zip tied to the wall. In order to break the cannon, sometimes you gotta break the seal of plastic white zip ties. As soon as I flip this thing, so starting off, we got Kumotora. She has shoes, hoodie, cheeks. Oh, cut that out of the video. And then hair, that's pink and floofy. Next up is Duster. She has floofy hair, a little bit of a mustache, a goatee, yes. A very fly blue collar thing, a fine belt, and of course the most purple. Here we have Klaus with his blue and yellow shirt. He's got full-on tennis shoes with laces, and then he looks a little bit like the strange child who keeps sabotaging my videos since whenever I started over COVID. And he does that. Okay, so here, finally, last but not least, we have Lucas, the main reason you probably bought this. The main reason you probably bought this $80 set from Japan. He also has very fine shoelaces as well, and probably real jeans. I don't know what jeans feel like. I don't own a pair. I only own shorts, but I'm wearing sweatpants today. Okay, it is time. This man has been ruining my videos for potentially 5 years at this point. Hi. It is time we take care of him once and my cross. Alright, I have Lucas, so I'm happy. This man's still here. And I might make a separate video of Earthbound plushies. As long as I can. Something in my eye now. If I can just live, I will be pretty dang happy.
Yeah, it'd be good.
Alright. If I can survive this, I will maybe make a video on the Earthbound plushies. The title will probably be Earthbound plushie review. If you quote me on that and I'm correct, then you can quote me. Lucas, did you want to say something to the camera?
You should like, share, and subscribe for Mommy. She doesn't do so well. If you can just subscribe for her, she'll be happy. She'll be so happy. Isn't that right, Klaus? Yes, that is most right. Mommy would be happy if you subscribed.
Hey, if you subscribe, you could marry me. Oh, if you subscribe, I'll play you a sweet tone on the sweet bass.
No.